In today's video, I'll teach you how to create an account on MailTime. First of all, what you have to do is launch open MailTime application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, MailTime application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to find various options like Gmail, Outlook, Exchange, Office 365, Hotmail, etc. You'll be able to add this kind of accounts over here. So if you want to create an account, simply tap on any account of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option, Gmail. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the bunch of permissions that you have to enable. Tap on this option, login, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll have to choose an account to continue. Simply tap on the Google account that you would like to use in order to create the MailTime account. Now you can see over here, Google will allow MailTime to access the informations about you. Scroll down and tap on this option, continue. Now what you have to do is select what MailTime can access. You'll be able to find bunch of options over here. Tap on the options of your choice. After you do that, scroll down and tap on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to set up your profile. First of all, what you have to do is enter your name. Tap on the field of name. Now what you have to do is enter your name over here. After you do that, tap on the done option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your MailTime account has been created. So that is how you create an account on MailTime. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.